Okay, one thing I forgot to do at the very end here is once we get this is the rise. Well, as we said here, rise is the change in y, which is the change in depth. Now this is not always true. Rise is not always the change in depth. But in this case, we reasoned out that the rise would be the change in depth because we know that the rise is in this direction, and this direction measures the depth, right? Just like this direction measures the time. Another thing I'll emphasize is that we're finding changes in depth and changes in the clock time, right? So this is the change in t. It's not a value of t. And I've seen people already making errors where they use like the 4 seconds and multiply that by the slope. Okay? Now if you do the graph and draw the fundamental triangle, you know that you're not going to be multiplying 4 seconds by the slope. You're going to be multiplying the run by the slope, right? And the run is not 4 seconds. Okay? That's an easy, if you made that error, don't be embarrassed. It's an easy error to make when you're sorting out all the confusion of all these ideas, okay? But if you draw the fundamental triangle every time you're talking about a rate of change, it will lock in the whole idea of rate of change for you, okay? Again, another reason I introduced this fundamental triangle first thing in the course, okay?